So the goal of this video is to walk you through the installation of the Java development kit and to show a couple different integrated development environments which combine the ability to write your code with the ability to run your code and receive some autocorrects and things like that. And these are also known as IDEs. And so I'll show you a few of those. I'll show you how to install the JDK so you can get started programming in Java. Okay, so first we're going to move to a browser and we're going to search JDK. And we will click on the most recent, the Development Kit 12. So you'll reach this page. You'll click Accept License Agreement. Then you'll go and click on the download link next to your chosen operating system. You'll probably either choose the DMG for Mac OS X or the EXE for Windows. So I'm going to go for the Mac OS. And that's downloading right now. While that downloads, I'm going to search for Eclipse. And so what we're going to do is check out what we have available to us. We're actually going to check out the Eclipse packages link right here. And we're going to look at this Eclipse IDE for Java developers. And the one you're going to want to click on is the one related to your operating system. So for us, Mac would be the one for my computer. So I'll click on that, and then I'll click Download. And now that file is also downloading. So let's check in on the JDK. JDK has to be installed first because it's one of the things that lets us run Eclipse. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to click on JDK, which is this file. I'm going to bring it up here just so we can see it. Some of you might have this automatically run. When I open it, I will get essentially a mini drive here that just contains this package. You're going to open this package up. Indeed, it's the holiday, the summer holiday. And so you'll install. And this contains everything you need to run the code. So now you have installation successful. Once that's done, you're all good to throw this stuff out. You don't need the JDK anymore, or the JDK installer, because it's been installed to your computer. So these are going to go to the trash. And now my Eclipse has installed. And I'm going to open up this file, and we'll get a sense of what's in here. And ideally what you do is you just drag Eclipse to your applications folder, and it'll copy it in there. And then you can simply, when you find it, here we are. You can open it up, and you'll notice, I'm going to remove this one. You'll just let it run, and it'll give you the version number of the Eclipse that you're running. In other videos, you'll see I use a different version. You'll start by opening up a workspace. Okay, and once you've run this, there are a few things that we can do. I'll introduce you to writing a simple program class. So what you want to do is you want to start with my next video actually in developing these programs. I'll leave it here. Bye.